Hello, you're welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony, and in today's video we're looking at open sentences involving division. And under division we have the same rule that applies for subtraction. And what is the rule? Say, do the opposite if the question starts with an open box. What does that mean? We should do the opposite. If the question starts with an open box, do the opposite of division, which means we are multiplying 2 times 9. That's what the rule says. Under division, if you start with an open box, do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. The second rule says, do the direct if the question starts with a number. Direct. If the question starts with a number, that is 15 divided by open box is equal to 3. Meaning that 15 divided by 3, that's what it means by doing the direct. So 15 divided by 3, what will you give us? The same rule applies to all questions under division. Okay, let's give it a trial. If the question starts with an open box, we should do the opposite of division. That is, 9 multiplied by 2 will give us 18. So let's fix our 18 here. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this rule is correct. And if the question starts with a number, we should do the direct, meaning that 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. The rule is correct. Now, we have fractions to apply the rule. So this one starts with an open box. So what does the rule say? We should do the opposite of division, which means we have 4 whole number 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 whole number 1 over 3. If the question starts with an open box, we should do the opposite. So we have 4 whole number 1 over 5. We can change it to mixed fraction. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1. 21 over 5 multiplied by 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. So having done this, if you like, a child can multiply 21 times 4 and write your answer, and also 5 times 3 and write your answer before dividing. But the number may be too big for a child to divide. Our advice, reduce the fraction. If what is in between them is multiplication, we can divide. 3 here, 1. That is 3 into this 3, it will give us 1. The same 3 into 21 is 7. There's no number again that can divide. So 7 times 4, we have 7 multiplied by 4 all over 5 times 1. 7 times 4 will give us 28. 5 times 1 will give us 5. How many times will 5 go into 28? Obviously, it will go 5 times, because 5 times 5 is 25. It will go 5 times. So out of 25, out of 28, you take away 25. You'll be left with 3 over 5. So our answer is 5 whole number 3 over 5. Let's fix it here. 5 whole number 3 over 5. Can we check? Let's check whether our answer is correct to ensure that we are doing the right thing. Okay, in checking, we're doing the direct. So 5 whole number 3 over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 3. So 5 whole number 3 over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 3. We are doing the direct. So can we change this to improper fraction? 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28 over 5. Divide. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. A fraction dividing another fraction. I've said it before, we can do the reciprocal. What does it mean? So we write the first fraction the way it is. 25 divided by 5. This becomes multiplication. Then 3 will go up, 4 will come down. 3 over 4. So 4 here is 1. 4 can go into 28 7 times. So we now have 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 1 is 5. How many times will 5 go into 20? 5 will go into 21. It will go 4 times. Because 5 times 4 is 20. So we take away 20 from 21, we left with 1 over 5. Does it give us? Yes, our answer is correct. So let's quickly look at the next question. The next question that says 7 whole number 1 over 2 divided by an open box is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 4. The question starts with the number. Do the direct if you start with the number. So we are having 7 1 whole number 2 dividing 2 whole number 1 over 4. Change this to improper. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, 15 over 2 dividing 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Fraction, we can do the reciprocal. We have 15 over 2, write the first fraction the way it is, change this to multiplication. As you're changing it, the 4 that is the denominator becomes the numerator. 4, then the numerator becomes the denominator. What can divide? 2 here, 1. 2 into 4 is 2. 3 can divide 15 and 9. 3 here is 3. 3 into 15 is 5. We now have 5 times 2 all over 1 times 3. It will give us 10 over 3. How many times will 10 go into 10? 3 go into 10, it will be 3 times because 3 times 3 is 9. 10 take away the 9, it will remainder 1 over 3. So our answer is 3 whole number 1 over 3. If you check, it will give you 2 whole number 1 over 3. If you do 7 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 3 whole number 1 over 3, it will give you 2 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, let's look at the next question. Is a decimal number. Open box divided by 0.04 is equal to 0.6. The question says, the rule says, if your question starts with an open box, you should do the opposite. Do the opposite if the question starts with an open box. The opposite of division is multiplication. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.04. How many decimal places is one having? Is 1 decimal place. 1 dp. Multiplication is addition. 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place. We add 1 plus 2, it will give us 3 decimal place. So after we are done, we return the decimal points. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.04. We have removed the decimal points. 0.6 is same thing as 6. Multiplied by 0.04 is same thing as 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So let's return the decimal points backward. We're moving backward. 3 decimal places. Let's move. 1, 2, 3. Look at my point. You start with 0. You fill in with 0. So our answer is 0.024. So our answer is 0.024. Let's check whether that will give us our answer. Can we check? Yes. Quickly, let's check. In checking, we do the direct. 0.024 divide by, this can be divided by 0.04. This is 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. This is 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Which one is the big one? 3. 3 take away 2. It gives us 1 decimal place. Meaning that, remember the numerator, I gave it a code, which is NB. Numerator is bigger, we move backward. Numerator, if it's bigger, you move, B is backward. If denominator is bigger, you move forward, DF and B. So obviously numerator is bigger, so we move backward after our answer. So let's remove the decimal point, meaning that 0024 divide by 004, which is the same thing as 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4, it will give us 6. Remember, numerator is bigger. We move backward once. 1. This is the ones that we moved. So our answer is 0.6. Is it the same thing? Yes, it's the same thing. Okay, finally let's look at number 6. Very interesting. Very interesting. Number 6, what is it saying? 1.5 divided by open box is equal to 1.2. The question starts with the number. Do the direct if the question starts with the number. So 1.5 divided by 1.2, meaning that this one have one decimal place, one decimal place. 1 and 1 are the same thing, so 1 take away 1 is equal to 0. So meaning that after dividing, we are not moving backward, no, we are moving forward. So we can remove the decimal point. It will become 15 divided by 12. What to divide here, what to divide here? 3. It will give us 5/4. How many times will 4 go into 5? 4 go into 5 once. Remember, 1/4. But if you like, we can change it to decimal points. This fraction, this 1/4, we can change it to decimal number by drawing. Let's do a long division. 1 is inside, 4 is outside. Can 4 go into 1? No. Put your point at 0. 4 into 10, it will go 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 take away 8 is 2. 4 into 2 cannot, we add 0. 4 into 20 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 0, that is the same thing. So our answer is 0.25. So we add it to this one. It becomes 1.25. We can confidently put 1.25. We can check whether our answer is correct. We can check whether our answer is correct. Okay, 1.5 divided by 1.25. One decimal place, it is one decimal place. This one is 2 decimal places. Pick the big one first. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. This is denominator is forward, numerator is backward. This one is bigger than this, so denominator is bigger than numerator. We are moving forward after dividing. So we have 15 divided by 125. 5 can divide, 5 can divide. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 into 12, it will give us 2. Remember 2. 5 into 25 is 5. So can we do the long division? We have 25. 3 goes inside. 3, then 25. 25 into this cannot put 0, put point, add 0. 25 into this, it will give us 1. 1 times 5 is 25. We subtract. Borrow here 2, 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 2 take away 5, 2 is 0. 25 into 5, it cannot. We add 0. 25 into 50 is 2 times. 2 times 25 is 50. So 50 and 50 are the same thing. So our answer is 0.12. Remember, we have a decimal place 1. Denominator is bigger, so we are moving forward once. DF, denominator is forward. We are moving the decimal point forward. Look at it here. It becomes 0.1.2. Which is same thing as what? 1.2. That's our answer. Now, my wonderful viewers, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Follow this rule and the rules of the ways. Follow my steps. Believe me, you will solve this very easy. So don't forget to send in your answer in our comment section. Thank you very much, and God bless you.